it's your girl Jenell here. If you're new to this channel, welcome. So today I'm just going to be making over my room. It's kind of boring, you know, it's kind of dull. I'm gonna make it over for Christmas, so I went to old trusty Dollarama with me so you guys can see how the store is set up and see the decorations that they have. So because I know they have really affordable and cheap stuff, so hit up the Dollarama if you live in Montreal, Canada. Let's go. So I'm just here looking for some decorations at Dollarama. I don't know what I want yet. I want some lights for my bed in my room. I'm not gonna get the Christmas tree as of yet because we do get a real Christmas tree, so we wait until like a week before Christmas or 2 weeks before Christmas. So all the lights are here. But these are mini lights. They're not like the lights that you put on a Christmas tree. You know, it is the dollar store. So just a ribbon. Last section, all the flowers and fake flowers. Which one do you like?
I like the blue.
The blue?
And the green.
The blue and the green?
And the red.
Blue, the green, and the red, she says. So I'm gonna look around and see. So far I just have types of lights. There's 40 inside. So yeah. This is our metro, the STM. Just tell you how much time till the next train comes. 5 minutes. I'm back from the dollar store and I bought some stuff, as you can see. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got to decorate my room with. I got this wreath thingy. One of these just fell off, but good thing about it is I can put it right back in. Where did it come from? Anyways, I got this, I guess it's a wreath. I don't know what this is called, but it's like have flowers on it with some little berries. Oh, it's a garland, a decorative garland. Got this. Got a little pillow to go on my bed. I have pillows already. I'm just gonna add one there. A pack of LED lights. There's 40 inside. Got this. This is a wreath, a decorative wreath. This is pretty cute. Has berries on it with some leaves and acorns. Cute. I got 2 of these. They're rings, flower rings. You can use them for your candles. They're candle rings, but I'm gonna put them on my wall. I got some decorative stickers for the windows. Some more lights. So I got 3 packs in total. I got 3 little flowers with the gold base. Pretty cute. I think it'll match my bed set, you know. And 1 candle. This is the scent. It's Air Fresh. Christmas wreath, balsam pine. I guess that's the scent. It smells like pine trees. Like, it smells like fresh winter, you know. So yeah, that's all I got. So I'm gonna see what I can do to decorate my room with all of these stuff. So let's get to decorating. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new. And let's get right into the video.
Love yourself. A merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.